Blogger template, first unzip the Octane file. For that, right click on the file and click on the Extract Now button. Open the extracted folder and look for the XML file. Now select the block on which you have to install the theme. Go to the Theme tab available in the sidebar. Now click on the Backup and Restore button available in the top right corner. In the Appear pop-up box, look for the Browse button. Now click on the Browse button and select the previously extracted theme file. Now click on the Upload button and wait until it finishes uploading. Once it finishes uploading, you will see the preview change. Now click on the Gear button next to the Edit HTML button. Now select the option No Show Desktop Theme on mobile devices and click on Save.